Come test drive the 2022 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.